Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 38 minutes, most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So basically, you can check some further details using two different options. So the first one is to tap inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. But not only the screen time, you can tap here and change it to notifications received and times opened. And under this graph, your device will show you the information, how much time exactly you've spent on specific apps. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings or Chrome, just tap on it, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.